Hello everyone and welcome back Serial A to Z. Today we are talking a trip down memory lane with some of the funniest, weirdest and most heartwarming moments from Friends. The collection of scenes perfectly capture why the show remains one of the most beloved sitcom of all time. Let's start with Monica's unforgettable Coron Rose. What begins as a simple hairstyle experiment quickly turns into classic comedy. Chandler inability to honestly compliment the look combined with Monica getting tangled up while dancing around the apartment creates the kind of everyday humor that Friends does so well. Then we have Joy preparing to appear on a game show. As always, Joy confidence is much bigger than his actual understanding of what's happening. His innocent confusion and the gang's reaction remind why he remains one of the most lovable characters in television history. One of the strongest part of these collections is the emotional storyline involving Chandler and Monica's adoption journey. Their excitement, uncertainty, and hope create some of the series' most touching moments. The scene show how much both characters have grown since the early seasons, involving from comedic side character into one of television's most beloved couples. The Thanksgiving scenes are another highlight. The gang gets locked out, dinner plans fall apart, and everyone starts blaming each other. Yet somehow, through all the chaos, the group still manages to come together. It's a perfect example of how Friends balances comedy with genuine friendship. We also get some classic Rose and Rachel moment, including hilarious conversation about food, relationship, and family gatherings. The chemistry between the characters remains one of the biggest reasons the show continues. The entertain audience decades later. Perhaps the most emotional section comes when Monica and Chandler prepare to move into the new house, watching their friends struggle with the reality of changes reminds viewer how much these characters have grown together. It's funny, emotional, and incredibly relatable. The adoption storyline reaches a beautiful climax when Monica and Chandler discover they are not just getting one baby but twins. The surprise, excitement, and over overwhelming happiness create one of the most memorable moments in the entire series. What makes these scenes so special is the balance between laughter and emotion. One minute you are laughing at Joey ridiculous comment, and the next you are getting emotional over Monica and Chandler dream of becoming parents. Overall, this collection so cases everything that made Friends a culture Fumens unforgettable character hilarious. Misunderstanding heartfelt relationships and moments that continue to resonate with the audience around the world. If you are a long time fan, these scenes are a reminder of why you fell in love with the show in the first place. And if you new to friends, they are the perfect introduction to the humor and heart that made the series legendary. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more non-statics throwbacks. See you next video. Thank you, love and more. Share his friends and like and subscribe please. Thank you.